Is it Odoo POS connected with FBR? If not, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Odoo POS with the FBR. So let's start. First of all, we need to install the FBR application. So I will go into the apps menu and here we will install the FBR application. So I will write here the FBR and you will see here is the application that you need to install in your database. Currently, this is installed in my database, already installed it, so no need to do in my database. So you need to install it first. So after installation, some of the configuration will be appear in the point of sale. So go into the point of sale and here in the configurations and then settings. In the settings menu, you will select point of sale and you need to do configuration individually for all of your point of sales. So currently I have only one shop. So I select this one and go down. So here is the configuration, FBR invoice configuration. So first we need to enable this option, enable FBR integration. So once this option will active, other fields will be appear. So you will select the environment, which environment you are going to exit, sandbox or the for the production, and this API URL will provide by FBR. Sandbox URL is different and for the production is the different, so you should provide the related URL here. And then API token that is also issued by FBR for production and sandbox environments. For both environment, I believe the API token is different. And then the POS ID that you can also create in the FBR portal. For different POS ID, you can generate for the different individual point of sales. Okay, then QR code on received option is active and barcode on received is also active. So on the receipt, the POS receipt, the both barcode and the QR will be appear. If you want to disable any of them, you can just disable this one by clicking on this one. So I will activate the both, and then the automatically FBR charge. That is the product FBR fee. FBR charge 1 rupees for every order, so you can activate if you want to deduct this payment automatically. So this option you have activated, and this is the fee amount you have. We have mentioned 1 rupees. If it increases in future, then we can change it here. And retry interval 60 minutes I have defined, because if due to some reasons the FBR did not accept the Odoo invoice, then it will retry after 60 minutes, but it will not block the billing. Okay, so after this settings, you will click on the save button to save the settings, and after that you will go into the products. So here I am not going to save this one because already settings has been saved, so I will discard this. And on the product page, I have shirt, the casual t-shirt. Let's see in the casual t-shirt. So you need to define the PCT code for the assured. So every product that you are selling on point of sale, the PCT code should be configured because this is the requirement of the FBR. Okay, now that's it. The configuration has been done. Now we can start billing. So click on the dashboard and here is the point of sale. So I will click on the continue selling. Okay, continue selling, and has been loaded. The POS has been loaded and you can see the FBR fee automatically added. If I will create a new order, then FBR fee, it will add automatically for every order. And if you try to remove and try to change the price or the quantity, it will not allow to change because this is the fixed pricing or the fixed fee by the FBR. So now we can add the product here. I will add one of the variant. Okay, so I have added this one and want to change the price. If I want to change, okay, no, 5 quantity and the price will be, let's see. Okay, that is the price. That is fine. And now 230.40. Okay, this is the price. Now click on the payment. Okay, and click on the cash and validate. Now the data is being sent to FBR, and you can see the FBR invoice number has been returned. The barcode is also displayed, and also the QR code has been generated and displayed on the receipt.